Okay, last week I said that I would build some of these kits whenever I got solder. Well, guess what? It came! Look what they sent me! A box to put my circuit in! So, I guess since I can't change my promise now because this is YouTube, I have to build a kit. So let's build this one. There we go. Let's get started, shall we? Plug it in. Turn it on. Epstein didn't kill himself. Okay. It's unboxing time. Ah! Okay. This is a really nice board. It's like home etched, and I think this is a phenolic. Doesn't feel like fiberglass, although it is a bit heavy. Alright, let's get to the populating. Okay. Here's our squealer horn. Don't know who makes this. Here's our potentiometer. The one on the manual looks like a 70s one, so I'm guessing they just use whatever parts they have lying around. Alright, let's populate the board. Cadmium sulfide disc, 470 microfarad capacitor, 4.7 kiloohms, potentiometer, 200 Ks, weird old SCR, switch to metric, the bat tree, and that's all for now. Wait, I need that. Now inserting the battery leads again. Okay. Oh, and I forgot we need this, so peel off the sticky bit. Haha. Yeet. Put that right there. Perfect. Oh, and this might be kind of important as well. Okay, great. Okay, I'm back. I got a fresh 9-volt battery. I've read up on these manuals. Alright, turn S1 to reset. Connect a fresh battery. Put in a drawer. Turn S1 to on. Quickly close the drawer. Wait for a minute. And open the drawer. Adjust potentiometer and try again. And test 2. Alright, I'm gonna have to say that that works. Unplug the thing before it blows my eardrums out again. So I'd like to mention that this is like a squealer horn, like a vintage smoke alarm. Wait a minute, that gives me an excellent idea. Yay, they're buddies now! Now don't do anything that would get me demonetized while I make this outro segment. So yeah, this was a fun kit. I enjoyed it, and I recommend this to people who are getting into electronics. It's educational. It teaches you about SCRs, and it was a little fun to build. So, yeah, thank you all for watching this. Stay tuned, and hope I see you again on future episodes of kit reviews. So I guess I won't see you. Whatever. Anyway, so this video was a little different in style, I guess. I added some comedy elements. Comedy that's reminiscent of a somewhat popular Canadian YouTuber who just made all of his videos, his old videos that I liked private. So after searching through the Internet Wayback Machine and finding the videos and then tricking JD Player into giving up its secrets, yeah, comedy. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Kit Reviews. I'm Timmy73. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned. If you have any suggestions for kits, let me know. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I'm Timmy73, and subscribe.